Hey guys, this is Josh Tech here, and for today's video is we're going to unbox and review the Edifier Wh500 wireless on-ear headphones. Let's go! Hey guys, this is Josh here and welcome back to our channel. And what we have here guys is the new Wh500 from Edifier, the on-ear headphones. And before we do the unboxing guys, let me just give you the main features of this product. It has 2 hours fully charged for 40 hours of music playtime. And then it has fast charging which is capable of 6 hours playback in just 10 minutes. It also has double protection for safe hearing. It's a foldable and lightweight design. Moreover, it is ideal for daily use and travel. Other thing also guys is that it has trendy color options for users to match their style. Alright, okay guys, so let's unbox. Alright, so as you can see, this is the front of the box and there is the Wh500 design in front, and at the back you can see there the specifications. Okay, so let's open it. Upon opening guys, you can see another box with Edifier branding in the middle. Alright, and then in the box, so we have here the cable, the safety guide, and also the product manual. And finally guys, our Wh500 headphones. Tada! As you can see guys, this is our headphones and it's really nice. And as you can see, the AirPods are actually in neon and it looks stylish. And also the headband guys, it is also foldable, so you can carry it pretty easily. So as you can see guys, there are buttons there, this volume rocker. There's also the Type-C port and also the power on and off button. And also in the headband guys, you can see the left and also the right mark. As you can see guys, the slider, you can adjust it pretty easily. So you shouldn't have any problem adjusting it. And guys, on how to connect, you can just download the Edifier Connect pretty easily on your iPhone or your Android. So the app will look like this. So just follow the instructions and you're good to go. And guys, after testing our product for almost 2 weeks, all I can say is that this on-ear headphones is really doing its job. I'm listening to music, I can really enjoy it because of its good sound quality. Moreover, the headband and also the earpods are very comfortable to my ears. So if you're looking for a budget-friendly on-ear headphones, then this Wh500 from Edifier is good for you. That's it for this video, and if you like this video guys, kindly click thumbs up and also consider subscribing. Once again, this is Josh and I will see you on our next video.